Selling a home can be very stressful, but it can be even more nerve-wracking if you're under severe time crunch. Whether you need to sell your home quickly for a new job, financial reasons, or because of personal reasons, we have a strategy you can use to decrease your time on the market. Here's how to sell your home fast. My name is Carlos E. Rojas, the president and founder of the Rojas Group LLC. We've been in business for over 20 years. We're very active in New Jersey, Arizona, Maricopa County, and now we're in South Florida, where I reside now. So I want to introduce you to our three-step process on how to sell your home fast. The Rojas Group LLC offers a new way to sell your home. There's no need for open houses, there's no need for repairs, and you get to control the closing date, which is great. Now let's go through the steps. Step number one, you will present the house to us. You just submit a basic information about the home, giving us pictures, videos of the interior, exterior, and the neighborhood, both sides of the street. And if the property, once you finish that, you email it to us. If the property is eligible, we will pass it on to our due diligence team that will do additional investigation, and within 2 to 3 days, we'll complete the work, the paperwork, and that's step number 2 comes now. Step number 2 is you get an offer. An offer is based on the information you provided and specific market analysis that was done by our team. We will send you the offer, and you get to decide what's next. If you like the offer, you will accept the offer, and then at which time we will schedule a home inspection. Now, there's no money out of your pocket, there's no commissions involved because you're dealing with the buyer directly. The inspector will contact you to come in and do a walk through the house. It will take 20-30 minutes, and then he'll create a report that he'll send to us. Additionally, you got 2 more options. You can counter the offer, or you can cancel the offer. Moving forward with an approval on your end that the offer is acceptable after you reviewed it, the proposal is finalized, and we can move forward. Then it's time for a very pleasant time. Step number 3, you get to pick the closing date. So selling your home with the Rojas Group LLC is a positive experience. It will eliminate aggravation, headaches, and stress, so you can move on to your next phase in life. You have nothing to lose. Take the first step and request a non-obligation offer today. We look forward to receiving your home reports so you can analyze them and present offers to you. We appreciate your time. Wish you the best. God bless you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.